Today let's see MCQs on literary movements which would be of help when we write competitive exams or net set. Let me start. It's on literary movements. The term metaphysical was first applied to John Donne by dash. Option A, Arnold. B, Dryden. C, Dr. Johnson. D, I.A. Richards. Answer is B, Dryden. The term metaphysical was first applied to John Donne by John Dryden. Question number 2. The term metaphysical was used for a group of poets by A. T.S. Eliot, B. Matthew Arnold, C. John Dryden, D. F.R. Lewis. Answer is option A. T.S. Eliot. The term metaphysical was used for a group of poets by T.S. Eliot. Third question. Dash poets wrote against the conventions of Elizabethan love poetry. A. Romantic. B. Modern. C. Metaphysical. D. Pre-Raphaelites. Answer is metaphysical poets wrote against the conventions of Elizabethan love poetry. So option C, metaphysical. Next question. John Donne, Andrew Marvell, George Herbert, Abraham Cowley, Richard Crashaw and Henry Vaughan are dash poets. They are called dash poets. A. Romantic. B. War. C. Pre-Raphaelites. D. Metaphysical. Answer is D. Metaphysical. John Donne, Andrew Marvell, George Herbert, Abraham Cowley, Richard Crashaw and Henry Vaughan are called metaphysical poets. Next, dash was not impressed by metaphysicals. A. Option A is Dr. Johnson, B. Dryden, C. T.S. Eliot, D. Arnold. Answer is Dr. Johnson. I'll repeat the answer. Dr. Johnson was not impressed by metaphysicals. Next question. Dash in the present century discovers several beauties in the metaphysicals. A. Dryden, B. T.S. Eliot, C. Arnold, D. Dr. Johnson. Answer is, as you guessed, B. T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot in the present century, that is modern century, discovers several beauties in the metaphysicals. Next question. The metaphysical style was established by A. Andrew Marvell, B. George Herbert, C. John Donne, D. Abraham Cowley. Answer is John Donne. The metaphysical style was established by John Donne. Dash poetry resolves itself into amorous and religious verse. A. Romantic, B. Modern, C. Religious, D. Metaphysical. Answer is D. Metaphysical. I read out the line. Metaphysical poetry resolves itself into amorous and religious verse. Next question. Dash said that metaphysicals played with thoughts. A. Dr. Johnson, B. Dryden, C. Walter Scott, D. George Eliot. Answer is C. Walter Scott. Walter Scott said that metaphysicals played with thoughts. Next question. Metaphysical poetry was dash. A. Conceit, B. Hyperbole, C. Affection, D, all the three, A, B and C. Answer is D, that is A, B and C, conceit, hyperbole and affection. I repeat, metaphysical poetry was full of conceit, hyperbole and affection. Dash were the first romantics. A, Wordsworth and Coleridge. B, the Elizabethans. C, Pre-Raphaelites. D, the French. Answer is B, the Elizabethans. Read out the line. The Elizabethans were the first romantics. The Romantic Revival was a revolt against the dash spirit. A, classical. B, neoclassical. C, love. D, religious. Answer is B, neoclassical. The Romantic Revival was a revolt against the neoclassical. Next, the Romantic Revival became evident when Dash published his work, The Seasons. The Seasons is the title of the work. The Romantic Revival became evident when Dash published his work, The Seasons. Donne, A, Donne, B, Wordsworth, C, James Thomson, D, Thomas Crabbe. Answer is C, James Thomson. Thompson, Thomson. The Romantic Revival became evident when James Thomson published his work, The Seasons. Next, Collins, Gray, Burns, Crabbe and Cowper contributed to the revolt against the dash tradition. A, neoclassical. B, classical. C, amorous. D, religious. Answer is A, neoclassical. Collins, Gray, Burns, Crabbe and Cowper contributed to the revolt against the neoclassical tradition. Next, Songs of Innocence and Experience by Dash were landmarks in the evolution of romantic spirit. A, by Gray, B, Burns, C, Blake, D, Collins. Answer is Blake. William Blake. Songs of Innocence and Experience by William Blake were landmarks in the evolution of romantic spirit. Next, the ideas of the Dash Revolution, such as liberty, equality and fraternity, encouraged the growth of romantic spirit. A, American. B, French. C, Russian. D, Irish. As you all guessed rightly, it is B, French. The ideas of the French Revolution, such as liberty, equality and fraternity, encouraged the growth of the romantic spirit. Dash defined Romanticism as liberalism in literature. A, Rousseau. B, Victor Hugo. C, Pater. D, Dante. B, Victor Hugo is the answer. I repeat the sentence. Victor Hugo defined Romanticism as liberalism in literature. Next, Wordsworth, Coleridge, Keats, Shelley, Byron and Scott are the great dash poets. A, B, writers. C, romantics. D, none. Answer is romantics. C, romantics. Wordsworth, Coleridge, Keats, Shelley, Byron and Scott are the great romantics. Next, the prose writings of Charles Lamb were colored by dash sentiments. A, classical, B. amorous, C. psychological, D. romantic. Answer is D. romantic. The prose writings of Charles Lamb were colored by romantic sentiments. Next, the publication of Dash by Wordsworth and Coleridge in 1798 marked a turning point in the history of English poetry. I repeat, the publication of Dash by Wordsworth and Coleridge in 1798 marked a turning point in the history of English literature. A. Poems, B. Critical essays, C. The lyrical ballads, D. None of the above. C is the answer, the lyrical ballads. I repeat the sentence. The publication of the lyrical ballads by Wordsworth and Coleridge in 1798 marked a turning point in the history of English literature. Next, Dash said, poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. A. Wordsworth, B. Coleridge, C. Keats, D. Sidney. As you all know, A. Wordsworth is the right answer. Wordsworth said that poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. Next, the pre-Raphaelite movement was started by two Dash painters based on Rome in the year 1810. A. Italian, B. German, C. English, D. Indian. Answer is B. German. The pre-Raphaelite movement was started by two German painters based in Rome in 1810. Next, the Dash movement drew inspiration from Italian painters like Giotto, Bellini and Angelico. The Dash movement drew inspiration from Italian painters like Giotto, Bellini and Angelico. A. Romantic, B. Neoclassical, C. Pre-Raphaelite, D. amorous. C. Pre-Raphaelite is the right answer. The Pre-Raphaelite movement drew inspiration from Italian painters like Giotto, Bellini and Angelico. Next, Dash was the leader of the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood in England, started in 1848. A. D.G. Rossetti, B. Raphael, C. Morris and D. Swinburne. Answer is A. D.G. Rossetti. D.G. Rossetti was the leader of the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood in England, started in 1848. The Pre-Raphaelite poets aimed at infusing the art and spirit of Dash into poetry. A. Romantic painters, B. Pre-Raphaelite painters, C. Classical painters, D. none. Answer is Pre-Raphaelite painters. I repeat the question with the answer. The Pre-Raphaelite poets aimed at infusing the art and spirit of Pre-Raphaelite painters into poetry. Pre-Raphaelite movement was a reaction against the slavish imitation of Dash. A. Morris, B. Fra Angelico, C. Giotto, D. Raphael painter. Answer is D. Raphael. So, Pre-Raphaelite movement was a reaction against the slavish imitation of Raphael. Next, the Pre-Raphaelites were the forerunners of the Dash movement led by Oscar Wilde. A. Classical, B. Neoclassical, C. aestheticism, D. romanticism. Answer is C. Aesthetic. The pre-Raphaelites were the forerunners of the aesthetic movement led by Oscar Wilde. Next, pre-Raphaelite poetry was free from A. didactic trait, B. realism, C. nature, D. painting. Answer is A. didactic zeal. I repeat the sentence with answer. Pre-Raphaelite poetry was free from didactic zeal. Next, pre-Raphaelite poetry gave attention to dash details. A. external, B. realistic, C. natural, D. descriptive. Answer is B. realistic. Pre-Raphaelite poetry gave attention to realistic details. Next, the pre-Raphaelites had affinity with the dash. A. Elizabethans, B. metaphysicals, C. romantics, D. aesthetics. Answer is C. romantics. So, the pre-Raphaelites had affinity with the romantics. Next question. Aristotle insisted only on unity of dash. Unity of dash. A. time, B. place, C. action, D. all the three. Answer is C. action. Aristotle insisted only on unity of action. So, next video we will see on MCQs on postmodernism. Thank you. Thank you one and all.